In our quest to keep improving Edgewonk, we just released a major update that will help you with navigating and with general usability. So as you can see, this is our search window, but now it does even more. If you're on Windows, you use Control K. If you're on iOS, Mac, you use Command K. It brings up this pop-up window, and this window allows you to navigate through your whole Edgewonk journal, add new trades, add new sessions, and do everything that you need to do in Edgewonk without even touching your mouse. So let's assume we want to add a new trade. We can do that, of course. We just type add, and then you can see it's already here. You can just type it out, and then it will bring up your entry. So this is then how you can easily add new trades. You can also import trades directly from here. So you just type in import, and then it brings this up. If you have defined your importer settings, you can easily upload your import data here, and then it's done. You can also jump through your different tabs. So let's assume we want to look our equity graph. We type it in. Here's our equity graph. And then let's assume we want to filter. We go here. Then those are all the filters that you have in Edgewonk. Let's assume we want to only look for long trades. That's what you can find here. And as we can see now in the background, the equity graph has updated and it shows you your long trades. Of course, you can add more filters. So let's assume we only want to look at our trades from December. We can do that very easily this way. And this is then, of course, applied to all other tabs as well. So assuming we want to jump to another tab, we open the window. Then let's assume we want to go to trade management. And now we are here and the filters are applied. In a few days, when you open this, you will see that there's additional information where you can find all the applied filters. It's currently just being tested, but it's going to be rolled out. So in a few days, you will be able to see the active filters and then clear your filters here directly. You can also open your settings. So when you type in settings, you will see everything that you can do in your journal. For example, you can manage your instruments. You can go to your custom statistics. Here are no custom stats yet in this journal, but you can very easily add then new ones. We can do everything that you normally do in Edgewonk through this feature now. So let's assume we want to go to the trade finder. We are here with one click, not even having to use our mouse. You can even change journals. So if you're running multiple journals, you quickly want to switch to another one. We open the pop-up. Then you just type in switch. You can also type in journal and then look for this entry. It brings up here this window where you see all currently active journals that you have and that you have created. And then let's assume we want to go here and we are in this new journal. Very easy to use, completely mouse free throughout the whole Edgewonk journal. We really look forward to hearing your feedback. What do you think about this? What should we add here next? In the meantime, for the last few weeks, we have been working on getting ready for our API integration so we can hook up Edgewonk to all the broker APIs, at least for the brokers that are offering them. This has been taking a while because it's a very complex issue and we want to make sure that it works flawlessly. So in a few weeks, you should be able to see more and hear more about that. In the meantime, enjoy your new feature and we look forward to hearing your feedback.